Hello, Intro to Environmental Science. I am Joshua Maloney, Professor Etter's supplemental instructor for Intro to Environmental Science. That's ENV 118 at Cape Cod Community College. This is the second video in a series of videos. I am using my observations of some Bigfoot signs I saw on the side of the road, along with my knowledge of the environment around the signs to question if a Bigfoot could be residing in the town of Barnstable. It's a fact that for more than 400 years, people have reported seeing large, hair-covered, human-like animals in the wilderness areas of North America. In 1977, the Department of Interior released protocols if Bigfoot was ever encountered. Doing a little research, unlike gorillas and chimps, Sasquatch or Bigfoot groupings are small and mobile, making it very difficult for modern humans to observe them. Their impact on the land is so subtle that it could take an observant eye to notice it. This is the second video in a series. In the first video, I explain the scientific method and the available evidence to make a hypothesis, design a testable experiment, and answer the hypothesis with a conclusion. Regarding Bigfoot on Cape Cod, a small handmade sign on a telephone pole says "Squatchy Area," and an arrow points into the woods. My experiment's objective is to research the land areas in the speculated habitat of Bigfoot to search for evidence of the ape-like creature's presence. A good hypothesis should start with "it was expected." In this case, an example could be, it was expected that Bigfoot is living in the town of Barnstable. This hypothesis is too vague, and it may be difficult to prove or disprove. If I am creating an experiment within the scientific method, I want to know that I can answer my statement. Unless I see Bigfoot walking with me, and they identify themselves as such, I don't know what evidence would be proof that Bigfoot lives in Barnstable. Conversely, I don't know what experiments or amount of searching and surveying could confidently deny Bigfoot's residence in Barnstable. How about it was expected that, if Sasquatch is living in plain sight in West Barnstable Conservation Area, then I will easily find direct evidence of it there. I like this because it limits the scope of my experiment. The evidence I am looking for is massive footprints in direct observations of the creature itself. If I don't readily see any evidence of Bigfoot, then the hypothesis is proved wrong. Bad for the Bigfoot theory, but good as a hypothesis because it is falsifiable and testable. If we don't find any evidence of Bigfoot, it doesn't mean that they are not out there. It just means that the next experiment could be different and could maybe come to a different conclusion. So thinking of the objective and the current hypothesis, what is an experiment you could design? Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't seen the first video in this series, I suggest you watch it. Check out some of that evidence for yourself. Stay posted for the next video, where I will present the results of my experiment. As always, thanks for watching. Reach out to me, Professor Etter, or the Tutoring Center with any questions.